Materials and textures. Hi, what's up? Welcome to our channel. Launch your rendering software. Open the scene you want to work on or create a new one. If you're starting from scratch, create a new material by clicking the Create New button in the library material. Name the material something descriptive and assign a category as you prefer. Add texture maps to the appropriate slots in the material creator via drag and drop or file selection. Texture maps are especially important as they provide realistic details and patterns for your material. Select the object or objects to which you want to apply the material. In the material library, select the material you've just created and click on the object. Apply the material to the selected objects. To add texture maps such as albedo, normal, specular, or others, find the appropriate slots in the material editor as shown above and drag and drop these texture maps. Load or create textures for each slot. Texture maps provide details and patterns for your material. Configure properties for each material within the material editor. This includes settings like scale, rotation, and tiling to control how the texture is applied to the object's surface. You can also adjust properties like roughness for reflections and normal, strength for depth, amongst others, to fine-tune the material's appearance. You can also blend two materials together in order to give your object a weathered appearance. If you plan to reuse this material in other parts of your scene, consider saving it as a material preset or library item. Continue to fine-tune your materials and textures by experimenting with different settings and textures. Pay attention to how the materials interact with lighting and other scene elements. Use your software's viewport or rendering preview to visualize how the material and textures appear on your objects. Make adjustments to the material properties and textures based on your observations. This wraps up our tutorial on materials and textures. Thank you for joining us in the journey of rendering your masterpieces.